How to use the be verb and the present simple tense. Let us have a look. She dash at school. The subject in this sentence is she. So here, what be verb do we use with she? Remember, be verb in the present simple tense is am or are. So the correct answer will be is. She is at school. Now for the next one, they dash 20 years old. The subject of this sentence is they. What be verb do we use with they? They is a plural and we use are. So the answer will be they are 20 years old. The next sentence says his father dash busy. The subject of this sentence is his father. So what subject pronoun do we use for his father? He. His father is busy.